Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and I'm bringing you your weekly chemistry launch. It is Monday, December 11th, and I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you're looking forward to the holidays and a nice break. And I hope you are trying to keep up in the course. I know many of you are moving ahead, and I'm glad to see that. From last week, we did the following lessons. We did polar covalent molecules and dot structures, 5.9. We did intermolecular bonding, 5.10. We did a project, the bonding of water, 5.11. We did bonding energy, 5.12. We did an experiment demonstrating polar properties, 5.13. And we did quiz 3, chapter review, that's number 5.14. I think most of you are getting these okay. Remember that what polar covalent molecules are. Covalent molecules are when electrons are shared between atoms, but in a polar covalent molecule, they are more pulled toward one atom than the other, like water, okay? The electrons of hydrogen that are connected to water are more closely attracted to the oxygen than they are to the hydrogen. Okay, oxygen has a greater pull on the electrons from hydrogen than hydrogen itself does. Okay, and so it makes it polar. One end is positive, one end is negative. The oxygen end tends to be negative, the hydrogen end tends to be positive. But oxygen is stronger. Okay, intermolecular bonding, just again, that's going to be some bonding like hydrogen bonds that bond together molecules. There's other ways that happens too. But you saw that in the lesson. Bonding of water, again, that's by hydrogen. Bonding energy, you looked at the energy of these bonds, just how strong they are. Hydrogen bonds are not that strong, but there are so many of them that they tend to make a strong bond together a lot of water molecules. There's also what we call dipole-dipole bonds. And that just means that molecules are attracted by the positive and negative ends of each other, yet it's not continuous. It's not like that all the time. It fluctuates. Sometimes they are attracted by the positive and negative ends, and sometimes they aren't. Okay, those positive and negative poles kind of go back and forth in there. For this week, you have the Unit 5 test, number 516. You have a semester review, 6.1, and you have the first semester exam, which is 6.2. You're also going to work on lessons 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, and 7.5. If you have any questions, particularly as you get ready for that semester exam, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you, and I want you to be successful in all of that. Okay, our reflection question for this week is, what was one thing you liked about chemistry this semester? And I guess I have two questions actually. What was the most difficult section for you? Okay, what was one thing you liked about chemistry this semester, being that we're at the end of the semester? And what was the most difficult section for you? Okay, be sure to answer that question. It's the only way I know that you attended this launch, and I look forward to working with you for the rest of the year. So have a great week, and if you need anything, please let me know again. I want you to be successful. Thanks a lot. Bye now.